Are you ready to start your online business but don't want to deal with inventory or shipping? Selling digital products is the way to go. Let me tell you why and how to get started. First, why digital products? They're easy to create, there's no inventory to manage, and you can sell them 24/7 to anyone in the world. Whether it's an ebook, online course, templates, or stock photos, the opportunities are endless. So how do you find the right digital product to sell? Start by copying and innovating. Look at what's already selling, whether it's design templates, fitness plans, or business guides. Then add your own unique twist to make it better or more targeted to a specific audience. For example, head over to Etsy and search for digital products. Look for newly listed products that have already generated a significant number of sales. The more sales they've made recently, the better the opportunity to create a similar product and start selling it yourself. Your advantage? These Etsy sellers rely solely on traffic from Etsy's search engine, but you can advertise your product directly to a wider audience, reaching people who might not even know this product exists and showing them how it can solve their problems. Shopify is the ultimate platform for selling digital products. It's simple to set up, gives you secure payment processing, and handles automated delivery of your digital files. Plus, with their reliable support, you're never on your own. When it comes to promotion, paid traffic is your best friend for fast results. Use platforms like Facebook and Instagram ads to drive targeted traffic to your store. For free options, take advantage of TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Post engaging, valuable content that grabs attention and links back to your store. Ready to get started? Use the link in the description to get 3 days free on Shopify and 3 months for only $1. There's no better time to launch your digital product business. Hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about starting your dropshipping store. Let's build your dream business together, one step at a time. Don't miss out. I'll be posting one new video every day with tips and tricks to help you succeed. Subscribe and stay tuned for more.